So good morning one and all present here. Myself Saksham Sharma from class 10 Super 30 Gold Badge, and today I'm here to present my art integrated activity of month April of AI, in which I have to present a project in a video format. So let's get started. First of all, let me tell you something that this project you are seeing here is a work that I have been doing since class 7 and is a very close project to me. It's a website that I have been developing, which not only gives proper information and helps to grow your skills, but it also helps you to gain interest in newer fields and gain more data than ever. So as you can see, in total, there are many pages on this website, and there is even this button which immediately brings you to the home site, or you can just click this one, which can also bring you to the home site. After that, there are several buttons you can access over here, which will bring you to several other pages. For example, to the blogs, you go, you can access this blog, you can get information, and from one blog, from one page, you can go from another by scrolling down and clicking on the last button of the page. And there are various pages on this website which not only help you to gain knowledge but learn new experiences. For example, inspirational stories section, quizzes section, which not only quizzes your mental aptitude but also quizzes your subjective values and knowledge. How to create games using Construct and Unity 3 engine. How and the newest page I have added is glossary. We all know glossary is important, and this website is going to help you improve your vocabulary, as each day 10 new words are refreshed and put into the website for you to read with their meanings, so you can improve your vocabulary and understanding of newer words with newer meanings. And after it is the second new page that I have added is infographics and charts. We all know infographics and charts are all important because visual data is better than written data, as more attention is put into the colorful and visual representative data put in front of our eyes. And we all know that graphs are not only interesting to see but are beautiful sometimes. Along with that, these also help in showing information in both positives and negatives, and we basically get the whole idea of the data covered. Other than that, there are many past pages, and a new button is added to this website, which not only brings you to the home page, but it also copies the link of the website and several other things to your uh, bookmark, which helps you to find more secrets and more pages of this website. Other than that, you can access more page over here, which brings you to our products more and Reddit. It also This website also tells you about information and important information from other parts of the internet, and tells you new applications and website you should use to improve your overall thinking and IQ. And finally is the query page, from where you can copy this email and ask any queries or doubts regarding this website, and obviously you can go back home. If you have any regards against it, you can also not only just send the query to the review section, but it will help to improve this website and get a more positive project later in the timeline of this entire website. So this is my art integrated activity. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.